Alright guys, hello everyone, I haven't been recording for a long time, but right now I'm back again. Bitcoin is down a lot. Today is Monday, June 20, 3:30 Polish Central European time. So what is going on with Bitcoin? The price of Bitcoin is falling, but the capacity of Lightning Network is growing. The capacity, this is the Bitcoin indicator. We just created this Bitcoin indicator right here, as you can see. We'll tell you what is that right in the moment. And Russia is thinking about their own blockchain. Also, Nayib Bukele from Salvador, what is going on in Salvador? Elon Musk and Dogecoin, Binance, and the Central African Republic, and Kevin O'Leary. And of course Bitcoin, BTC, where is going Bitcoin, how the Bitcoin network looks like right now. So it's Julian Crypto, and nothing here is financial advice. Remember guys, we are just telling you this kind of news to help you make your own decision. Alright, so as you can see, Bitcoin transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain is still continuously growing. But let's start from the news, from the BTC news. And basically, as I showed you right here at this chart, this is not a traditional Bitcoin to US dollar chart. This is an index, our index, which is Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq, divided by, I will tell you, Fed balance sheet, US balance sheet. So basically, as you can see, we are right here, so it's pretty low, probably as you thought it is. So right here at this area, there is a support zone. Here is a trend line, minus 30%. It's still in the game. All right, and what is going on in the world? So Russia is developing their own system, their own blockchain system to replace SWIFT. Russia's state-owned company builds blockchain-based replacement for SWIFT. The company highlighted that the cell's blockchain is multifunctional and can handle up to 100,000 transactions per second, with a potential for further increases in throughput. Another piece of news from El Salvador. So El Salvador Bitcoin backing president asks for patience as crypto sinks. And here is a quote from Nayib Bukele. I see that some people are worried and anxious about the Bitcoin market price. My advice, stop looking at the graph and enjoy life. If you invested in BTC, your investment is safe and its value will immensely grow after the bear market. Patience is the key. And what about Elon Musk, who was sued a few days ago for $283 billion? Right now, Elon Musk is saying that he is still supporting Dogecoin. I will keep supporting Dogecoin, he's saying, I am buying Dogecoin. And the Dogecoin price rally more than 20% just after his tweet about Binance. Binance is suspending direct deposit and withdrawals in Brazil. Binance stopped real-based direct deposit and withdrawal in Brazil this week as a result of the change in its secondary payment provider. The exchange announced that it was making the necessary changes to fix this problem and in the future to keep offering the services to its customers in Brazil. Another piece of news, the Central African Republic. A group of Bitcoiners traveled to the Central African Republic and they met with the country's president to discuss pathways for Bitcoin adoption. This is the original documentation from that meeting, and this is translated document in English. So basically 7 Bitcoin experts went to the country to understand how the Bitcoin can be managed by the country. And here is the full documentation of that meeting. And another piece of news from Kevin O'Leary. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary says he is not selling any of his cryptocurrencies despite the crypto market downturn, and it's a quote from him: "I'm not selling anything long term. You just have to stomach it. You have to understand you'll get volatility and that some projects aren't going to work." Alright, and that's all. And to finish this, how the Bitcoin network looks like at the current moment, at the present moment. So Bitcoin nodes, it's continuously growing, as you can see, from 2016, this chart, to present moment. The number of Bitcoin nodes is systematically growing. The Bitcoin Lightning Network, so the layer 2 for Bitcoin, is also systematically growing. The Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity also is systematically growing, despite the prices going down right now, because the whole West market is going down. And look at the distribution for top 10, top 20 and top 15, 50 and top 100 holders. Only 14% top 100 holders of Bitcoin, they owned only 14% of total wealth in Bitcoin network. So it's pretty well distributed compared to another assets. And here is tokens on the Bitcoin network transferred. And as you can see, this is moving average 50 week. This moving average is still continuously going up. And because of that, we know of course that the Bitcoin network is used more, and because of that it should be value more in a long term. Alright, you are welcome to use Max Data app tools, so you can always have your best signals, best on-chain data, best fundamental data, best market data from the market. You just have to log here. And for now, that's all. Thank you guys, and remember, nothing here is a financial advice. I'm telling this information you only to give you some wider perspective how the Bitcoin might react in closest future. I'm waiting for your commentary in the comment section below, and see ya tomorrow. Bye bye.